Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare error 523, origin unreachable. Easiest way. If you're seeing Cloudflare error 523, it usually means Cloudflare is unable to reach your website's origin server. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a simple adjustment inside your Cloudflare dashboard and then clear the cache so the changes can take effect cleanly. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to your account home. Once you're there, locate the website or domain you want to work on and click to open it. This will take you into that domain's management area, where you can access the settings related to security, SSL, and caching. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select SSL TLS. This section controls how Cloudflare handles encrypted connections between visitors, Cloudflare, and your origin server. After that, click on Overview so you're in the main SSL area. From the Overview section, click Configure. This is where you can change the SSL mode for the selected domain. In the configuration options, select the mode shown for your setup. Make sure you choose the correct option exactly as indicated on your screen, since using the wrong SSL mode can sometimes contribute to connection problems between Cloudflare and the origin server. Once you've selected the appropriate mode, click Save to apply the change. Give Cloudflare a moment to register the update. In many cases, small configuration changes like this can help resolve communication issues, but it's also a good idea to clear any cached content so you're testing the latest version of the site configuration. Now return to the left-hand menu and click Caching. Inside that section, choose Configuration. This page includes Cloudflare's cache management tools. Find the option labeled Purge Everything and click it. This tells Cloudflare to remove all cached files for the site, which can help eliminate outdated responses and force a fresh request to the origin. When the confirmation appears, click Purge to continue. After that, allow little time for the purge to complete and for the updated settings to propagate. At this point, revisit your website and test it again. If the issue was related to the previous SLO setting or stale cache data, the site may now load correctly. If you're still seeing error 523, the next thing to check would be whether the origin server itself is online and reachable. But the steps in this video cover the Cloudflare side fix shown here. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching.